This is Angola. Have you ever been there? My name is Kefas, and you all know me from my YouTube channel Kefas Yiseka'yah. With my organization, we are organizing another trip to Angola on October 21st up to 31st, 2024 this year. And I'm inviting you to join me in this amazing trip where you will have the opportunity to explore Angola with me, Nzambi Kefas, and see it as we envision the future. It will be a 10-day trip, and we will take care of the accommodation and the transport, so you don't have to worry about that. The program includes cultural excursion, a field trip, investment meeting, real estate, land purchase, and of course entertainment, so you can enjoy the ambiance of Angola with me. Now, for those who didn't know, together with my organization, we are building a Diaspora community estate in Angola. And you have the opportunity to invest in a plot of land within our project and secure your future with us in Angola. So to join the trip or to invest, email to info@angolainvestmentgroup.com.
Red dirt. You can tell Jamaica, we have red dirt, and that's very good for planting. But as far as the territory, a lot of space for building. Now I can conceptualize what a plot, the size of a plot is. And one plot is good enough to build the house, but for me personally, I want space to grow. So yeah, but there's a lot of territory available. So if people are looking to buy, why not here? Why not here and develop a community of people so we can look out for one another and you know, build together, you know? So yeah. And
my goodness.
You know, when someone believes in something enough to put their own money into it, then that tells me a lot. Because I've had people say, oh, buy this land. Did you buy any of it? No, but you know, it's still good. Okay, well, you know, the mere fact that you guys have invested says that you believe in the potential of the land. So that gives other people confidence to say, okay, well, at least I know that you've invested into it. So maybe it's a good investment for me also.
We have 3 plots.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
it goes all the way to the back. All the way to the back.
And this is also part of it. This will be the road.
Right.
Put asphalt so that you.
This is a school that was built by a Brazilian organization to provide education for the children who live there. It's a good project. Boa Vida is a beautiful condominium complex. You can buy a house within this condominium, 1 store, 2 store, whatever has your preference. And so if you want to live in a secure and safe community, condominium Boa Vida is also an alternative. But if you want to build your own house, your own design, your dream house, you want to have huge plots, then you need to be part of our project, Angola Estate Community Project for the Diaspora, what we are building in Angola. Nevertheless, Boa Vida, beautiful for those who want to invest in real estate, you want to buy a house.
Thank you, sir.
Now, this is a beautiful location. They are still constructing. They have 20 condominiums, I think 100 hectare space in total. This house is a 4-bedroom house with 2 suites. This is the rooftop of one of the most expensive hotels in Angola, in the city of Luanda. Beautiful. So make sure to join me this coming October. If you're interested, don't forget to email me, and I hope to see you there.